Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with edX, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with edX, start by visiting the official edX website. On the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for convenience. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. After logging in, explore the course catalog by selecting the Courses tab. Use the search bar to find specific subjects or browse through the categories. For each course, read the description and check the prerequisites. If you find a course that interests you, click on it to see more details. Review the course schedule, topics covered, and instructor information. To enroll, click the Enroll button and follow the prompts. Some courses may be free, while others require payment. If the course has a paid option, you will need to provide payment information. Once enrolled, navigate to your dashboard to see your course list. Click on the course title to access the course materials and assignments. Participate in the course by watching video lectures and completing assignments. Engage with other learners in the discussion forums to enhance your experience. Monitor your progress through the course analytics provided on your dashboard. At any time, you can revisit previous lectures or course materials as needed. Upon completion, ensure you download or save your certificate if applicable. Stay connected with edX for updates on new courses and features through your account settings. Finally, consider exploring the mobile app for on-the-go access to your courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.